many revolves because the gorilla don't know how to raise them. Okay, so now we are
Oh
in the
my
longest
God.
river in the world. We set across around 4,000 miles. But don't try me because I know the shortcut. Yeah, see that way, see that way. This is Mama Elephant and her baby.
Mama.
She is teaching her baby how to use his hand. Wow, very cute baby, isn't it?
Ayun Diyos oh.
See the other side. And other elephant is taking a
Pinababasa.
shower. Oh, this is my so happy. Wow, so many wrinkles in his body.
Ay, Diyos, Diyos, Diyos.
This is Mama Elephant and he's easy to enter in his
Walang yan.
Oh, okay. He needs to be real. Okay.
Ay, Diyos, Diyos, aso. Ayun oh, ayun oh, ayun oh. Nakita mo. Ayun oh. Cobra. Ayun, ayun oh. Ayun. Nagsasayaw-sayaw. Ay. Ayun oh, ayun oh.
I'm about to because we just 10 feet away. If they jump, they will jump over us. And other hand is the temple of Ganesh. There's the gods of wisdom. And two can come right in front of him. They are very, very poisonous. Oh, what is happening? Oh, we can look very eat you by us. This place is very dangerous. Let's go! After we pass the temple of Ganesh, in the true heart of jungle, see what is waiting for us? So many crocodiles! This is like so hungry with the open their mouth and waiting for us. So do you know that we call the crocodile what they call us? They call us dinner! Here's the king of crocodile and the land of crocodiles!
Namamaril yung mga unggoy oh.
So many crocodiles here! They are very amazing! What is my job?
Ay, puta guys. Ero! Ero! Oh, eto!
Okay, so we never thought we want a bunch of gorilla to your house because they just turn into animals. Here is the many animals here. Giraffe and elephant. The giraffe is elephant because this one is number 2 most fear elephant here.
Ay, ayun Diyos oh. Hipo.
Now we are entering the pool of the dangerous people. This is not the past future can buy for our experience and the
Ito, ito.
what is happening now? We are the strongest of this year. We are living like a
Ay, Diyos oh. Pinahali mo.
Very one of them. They're very poor. In the water, in one of them, remember staying inside the
Tutusok yung puwet.
Don't jump into the river. Oh no.
Cannibals.
Here's the place of the headhunters. We need to be careful. Don't let them know that we are passing. Or do you set us the poison back and we will leave our heads here. So we never pay this back. Oh
Yay.
no, they're at home now. What can we do?
Ayun oh.
Oh, that's very glad to see you.
Hey, Diyos,
Are you
oh.
okay?
Ito.
Oh, that's right. So now you're okay.
Volcano.
Our head is the dog now. We can head to the dog soon. And the dog will take even over. See, the dog is over there. Let's go.
Ito. Ayun, ayun.
Oh, what's that? What's that? You say
Yay!
Oh, no, here is trouble because here is the tail of God, the Bible, and the Bible always protects the children. Oh, no, the small eyes can become this thing. How can we do? The Bible is angry. Wow, the water comes out and save us. We are very lucky. Okay, are you okay? Yes. Is someone be barbecued?
What?
No, that's great. Hey, see, who's this? welcome us back. Okay.
Mambabasa.
Say goodbye to the baby elephant. Give his hand on you. Hey, okay. Okay, say goodbye. Say goodbye.